On the ventral side of the arm, humans possess a number of flexor muscles. The biceps brachii, with its two heads on the scapula and inserting on the radial tuberosity, and the brachialis, which has its origin on the humerus and inserts on the ulna. These are major forearm flexors. And in the forearm compartment, there are a number of muscles which flex the wrist, such as the flexor carpi ulnaris on the medial side, the flexor carpi radialis on the lateral side, and also a number of muscles which flex the digits, such as the flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor digitorum profundus, and for the thumb, the flexor pollicis. In cartilaginous fish, only ventral somite muscles give rise to fin musculature. In this lungfish, ventral muscles form the flexors of the fin. In basal tetrapods, ventral muscles form both the flexors of the forearm, although two separate muscles had not yet fused to make the biceps, and in the forearm compartment, the multiple flexors of the wrist and fingers, as seen in this frog and salamander. Ancestral reptiles then possessed the biceps brachii and brachialis to flex the forearm, and a series of wrist and finger flexors in the forearm compartment, as can be seen in modern alligators, modern turtles, and these same muscles have been modified to move the wing and function in the flight of birds. Even though the majority of mammals are quadrupedal and walk on their arms, they nevertheless possess homologous muscles to humans in their arms and forearms. This can be seen in this opossum, which has the biceps brachialis and layers of flexors, both superficial and deep. This can be observed in the cat, which possesses a biceps brachialis and a compartment with wrist and finger flexors, both superficial and deep. And homologous muscles can also be observed in the goat, the sheep, the cow, and the pig. Obviously, primates evolved greater manual dexterity so that they could adapt for a life in the trees and have even greater similarity with the arm muscles found in humans, with both their biceps and brachialis in the upper arm and with the wrist and finger flexors they possess in their forearm.